Have you ever wondered what transforms an ordinary piece of land into a beautiful, durable surface that can last for years? Take a look at this stunning pavement block installation. Clean lines, a beautiful finish, and a surface built to withstand both weather and traffic. But achieving a result like this doesn't happen by chance. Every successful pavement project starts with proper preparation. Let me show you how it's done. The first and most important step is ground preparation. Before a single block is laid, the existing ground must be properly leveled and compacted. This process removes weak spots, improves stability, and creates a firm foundation for the pavement. Without adequate compaction, the pavement can settle unevenly over time. Once the ground has been prepared, we install a damp-proof membrane. This layer serves as a protective barrier between the soil and the pavement structure. It helps reduce moisture migration from the ground and contributes to the long-term performance of the pavement. Next, a layer of quarry dust is spread evenly over the membrane and carefully leveled. This bedding layer provides a smooth working surface and helps achieve the correct levels before the blocks are installed. Attention to detail at this stage is essential because the final appearance of the pavement depends heavily on the accuracy of the bedding layer. Now comes the most satisfying part, the laying of the pavement blocks. Each block is carefully positioned according to the selected pattern, creating a surface that is both attractive and structurally sound. Pavement blocks are popular because they combine strength, durability, and aesthetic. They can withstand heavy use, are relatively easy to maintain, and offer excellent flexibility compared to rigid concrete slabs. The interlocking action between the blocks helps distribute loads efficiently, making them suitable for walkways, driveways, parking areas, and many other applications. As the blocks come together, you can begin to see the transformation from a prepared foundation into a finished surface that will serve its purpose for many years. And there you have it, the journey from a bare ground to a beautiful finished pavement. Remember, the quality of any pavement is determined not just by the blocks you see on the surface, but by the preparation and workmanship hidden beneath them. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more practical construction and civil engineering content, make sure you subscribe, like the video, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. What construction process would you like to see next? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.